Oh shit. Oh no. Nope. This motherfucker, bro. Ignorant motherfucker though. He don't give a fuck.
Where's the real money at?
Damn. What's up, man? What it do? This your boy OBJ. I'm back at it again with another reaction video. Yeah, man, today we're gonna do the Floyd Mayweather Makes It Rain on Conor McGregor. You know what I'm saying? I don't really fuck Floyd Mayweather when he start fucking throwing money and shit at people, because you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's not humble. Feel me? I had to tell my friend from the last video that y'all saw. That's not humble, bro. That's not humble. That shit's not humble at all. But yeah, man, we're gonna get into the video. Before I get into the video, man, make sure y'all go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and share, because your fucking opinion matters. Let's get it.
Hard work! Hard work! Hard work! Hard work!
That's all he says is hard work, hard work. I like Floyd Mayweather, you know what I'm saying? I think he's gonna win personally. But it's like, bro, you keep saying hard work, like, can you say something else though? Like,
I don't just smell victory. You know what I smell? I smell a...
Oh shit. He said he smelled a bitch. First of all, Conor McGregor is no bitch. I'll tell you that. She no bitch. But in the boxing ring, we'll see who the real bitch. August 26th. Let's tune into that.
Yo! Point to the easy work.
Damn.
Yo! Point to the...
Y'all think this is gonna be easy work for Floyd Mayweather? Y'all comment below, let me know, cause man, I don't think it's gonna be easy for real. You feel me? Cause McGregor, he's not getting knocked out. So when he say easy work, he making it sound like he about to knock his ass out the first round. But we'll see though.
Point to the quitter. This they quit once. This they quit twice. You quit 3 times?
Oh. Damn!
You hoe!
Damn.
Red boy! Where the bag at?
Oh shit. Floyd, don't do this.
Yeah!
Don't.
Yeah!
Don't. Boxing, bro, you don't need to show your money. You don't need to do all that, bro. That's what I don't like about Floyd Mayweather, bro. You don't have to do all that, bro. Just talk about how you gonna beat his ass in the boxing ring. Don't talk about your money, bro. Nobody gives a fuck, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm a Floyd Mayweather fan, but it's just like, sometimes he needs to just humble himself. My friend, he talking about, oh, Floyd, you know, he humble. Nah, man, he not humble, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know in the comments, a lot of y'all in the comments below was fucking him up. But look, that's my boy. You feel me? But let's get into this shit.
Yo! DJ! Turn the music on for the strip!
Oh, shit. God damn. He don't give a fuck. This is gonna be a fun fight, I'm telling you. I want to see niggas. I want somebody get knocked the fuck out, dude. I swear to God.
You got all your working. Where's the real money at?
Damn.
Yeah! All work is right. What point to the easy work then?
Easy work. Oh. Again, like I said, we'll see if it's easy work.
Yeah!
Easy work is like,
Get started, baby.
it's like he's gonna knock him out.
Just get started, baby. Dana White, I'm gonna take my hat off to you.
He always do that.
And tell you.
He always go to Dana White to say thank you.
You done a remarkable job. 21 years. And guess what?
He don't give a fuck. You can just tell by look at his face.
Getting that money.
He don't like Floyd Mayweather. He don't like him.
Dress up.
You can just see on his red.
21 years ago.
You can see on his red fucking face. He don't like him.
This ain't shit but a circus clown.
Oh my gosh.
I ain't never quit. Never will.
Just because you quit doesn't mean you a bitch, though. I disagree with that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just because he tapped out, you feel me? That don't mean. Because if Floyd Mayweather was in the UFC, y'all know in the comments y'all gonna go crazy. But if Floyd Mayweather was in the UFC, oh God, this nigga gotta get the body. The nigga. Oh shit. Oh yeah. It's about to get it on now. Hey, niggas getting it in this bitch. Yo, Floyd is crazy, bro. He don't give a fuck. It's getting fucked up in that bitch. Damn, that nigga big as fuck. God, these dudes big. Look at Floyd. So all he says, yeah.
Oh, you pick that $1 bills up right here.
Damn. Yeah, McGregor, talk him down too, bro. Don't let him just take.
Look at you blown up. Couldn't run up and down, up and back from there without being able to break you. Yeah, he's a quitter. Real fighters don't
that nigga
quit.
face serious as fuck.
Real fighters don't quit. Eat it.
It's getting aggressive in that bitch.
Eat it. Get them high hands off you, little squirt.
Damn.
Eat it. You darkest clown. You hoe. You strip.
Hold on. He was really wearing high heels? Floyd Mayweather? I didn't know, though. That's the thing. I couldn't really see. I didn't really look at his feet and nothing. Like, what the fuck? Oh.
And you know
Oh, shit. It's getting aggressive in that bitch. Look, niggas gotta get out. Niggas gotta come. Oh, shit.
I run this
It's getting
show.
nasty.
This is my hoe. And I do $1 bills.
Look at this motherfucker. Floyd is crazy. Man, McGregor, I know. McGregor want to knock him out so bad.
$3 million fighter. It's an $800 million fighter. What's up?
They hate him over there too. They booing him and shit.
That's what I like. That's what I like. And all y'all doing is putting money on my account.
Man, come on, bro. Ain't nobody trying to hear all that, though, bro. Like, put money in your bank account? Bro, we get it, though. Like, we get it. We get it. We put money in your bank account. Because I ain't paying shit. Just because of him. Just because he's saying all that shit. Like, come on, bro. You ain't got to keep saying the same thing, though. You don't have to keep saying, oh, money, money, money. You guys put money in my bank account. Blah, blah, blah. Like, bro, all right, man. We get it, though. We get it. We get it. We understand. Just humble yourself on that. Like, just talk about how you gonna beat his ass in the ring. Stop talking about the money, man. It's just like, man, come on, Floyd. Come on. Y'all, I know y'all gonna come at me in the comments, though, but come on, man. Come on. Come on. Let's be humble. You know what I'm saying?
That's what
I love Floyd Mayweather. I love him. For real. I fucks with Floyd. But damn, bro. Coming at Floyd bodyguard and shit.
Where are you looking at me or where are you looking?
Oh my God, it is so.
Pay a hoe. You pay a hoe. Y'all want more? This is payroll. Y'all want more?
Y'all want more?
Y'all want more?
I love Floyd, though. Look at Floyd.
You're looking good, baby. You deserve better. 21 years?
You see?
Your time difference. 5 weight classes.
Damn.
And y'all choose a quitter? They said if you quit once, you'll quit twice. But 3 times? Oh man. Oh man. But I love my guy Dana White. He's a smart mother. Dana White pimping this.
Damn.
Yo, what's up? We gonna pose the fighters or
Let's
what?
go, man. Pose this shit up. Let's
New
get
York
it.
City, you wanna see him face off? This is what
Get
we've
it.
been waiting
Let's
for.
get it.
August
Yeah.
26th. T-Mobile Arena. Live on Showtime.
I wonder what the fuck they saying though.
Floyd Money Mayweather versus the notorious Conor McGregor.
What the fuck are they saying? Like, what are they saying to each other right now? Like, what is the conversation is? I know it's so violent right now. It's hate. Like, it ain't even... It's crazy in that bitch. Floyd ain't scared. Floyd ain't scared.
Unprecedented bout, the best versus
Damn.
the best of boxing versus the best of MMA.
Damn.
You can call it a showdown of Ireland.
McGregor is getting too aggressive. They got to push him back. Push him back. Push him back. He gonna knock his ass out, man. On some shit. Alright. Ooh-wee. Yeah, man, that right there was Floyd Mayweather versus Conor McGregor. Floyd flashing his money, throwing it everywhere. That was in the Barclays Center, Brooklyn. You know what I'm saying? You know, like I said, I love Floyd Mayweather and I like Conor McGregor. I love both of them. So don't get it twisted. I love both of them. I think Floyd Mayweather will win because he's been doing this for years. Conor McGregor just started boxing. Like boxing. I know Conor McGregor been boxing when he was young, but I guess he wanted to do UFC. You know what I'm saying? I want to give a shout out to all my supporters, OBJ TV. You already know this shirt gonna come out soon. If y'all want some of this, man, y'all comment below if y'all want some. If y'all want that OBJ TV shirt, cause it's gonna come out soon. You feel me? It's gonna come out soon. Man, I'll go ahead and follow my Instagram, OBJ_TV. Follow my Snapchat, OBJ_93. You feel me? And without further ado, before I head out, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and share because your opinion matters. You feel me? Without further ado, man, we out. Or I'm out.